weeks, no school, just rest, relaxation.
And sneaking out of your bedroom window to go on romantic dates with Drew.
Could life be any more perfect?
Depends. How pregnant do I look?
It's nothing this boa can't hide.
So unfair. Casey helped me make this baby, and I'm stuck dealing with it.
Don't worry. Once you win next Teen Star, you'll be able to take care of the baby without him. Wow, the convent called. They want their outfit back.
Perfect. I don't want Fitz getting the wrong idea about tonight.
Okay, help me out. I thought you liked Eli.
I do.
But you're going to Vegas night with Fitz?
Fitz damaged Eli's car, so Eli tricked Fitz into getting arrested. Then Fitz tried to fight Adam, so I set off the stink bomb, which he got blamed for. So to stop Fitz from fighting Eli, I agreed to go to the dance with him. Clear?
Crystal.
Just one question. When did your life become West Side Story?
I just need to get through tonight, then maybe Eli and I can go on a real date, if he's over his dead ex-girlfriend.
Ah, speak of the devil.
Hey,
Hey.
can I talk to you outside?
Yeah, sure.
Out of love in my heart and deep down in my soul, you're my remedy, girl. I'm hooked on you for sure. What I need, what I need, to get me back. Oh yeah, you're what I need.
It's Epicac. Makes people barf.
Most guys just buy flowers.
I want you to slip in Fitz's drink.
What happened to being the bigger man?
I can't. Not anymore.
Because?
Don't be naive. Fitz is a bad guy. He wants to have sex with you.
Oh, then you're right. The appropriate response is to poison him.
I told you. This is how you control bullies. Keep them scared.
Do you know who also uses those tactics? Terrorists.
I don't understand. Whose side are you on?
I'm not sure. But I know it's not the side that poisons people.
I have a girlfriend.
So I've heard.
What do we do now?
Don't be nervous. I'll take it from here.